Yes.
Are you sure?
No, I'm right. It's nothing serious. Okay. Thank you.
Dayo.
Sir?
To be honest with you, one of the greatest things to teach for family was helping my wife secure that job.
Uncle Dotun, who has been fired?
What?
Sherry. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ wá sọ fún wọn nìyẹn. Because mi fẹ́ kó shock wọn tí bá fún wọn later lọ́la.
Me understand.
It's a long story. Mo rò pé mo lè break news yẹn fún wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. But clearly I cannot. Ẹ wò, mi ò mọ̀ bóyá tí mo bá ti lọ tán ẹ lè bá mi sọ fún wọn. Because I know this is going to break her heart. And I do not want to see it.
Here you go.
Thank you. I check in.
But me, rántí béèrè quantity tó fẹ́ o. Tó bá lè ti wá pọ̀ jù nǹkan tó fẹ́ lè bóyá kó rọ́ sínú báàgì tó máa gbé lọ.
What is sacking?
Oh.
Huh?
Uncle Dotun.
Now you can tell her.
Tell me what?
Uncle Dotun. Mo. Ẹ̀yin náà mọ gbogbo challenges tá face ní company these days. And the ọ̀gá pè mí lánàá, wọ́n ní pé ká trim down staff.
So, tó bá ní pé kẹ́ trim down staff, ṣé wọ́n wá sọ pé kó sack me?
Mo. Ẹ̀yin ẹ mọ̀, position me as HR, it comes with tough responsibilities.
Ṣé ọ̀gá specifically náà sọ fún ẹ pé kó sack mi?
No. Wọ́n ní pé kí n relieve a person in each unit.
So, tó bá ní pé kó relieve a person ní each unit. Kí ló dé tó ṣe jẹ́ pé mi ló fẹ́ relieve and not Mr. Phillips?
Mom, this thing is not easy for me now. Kò easy fún mi rárá. Ẹ̀yin rẹ̀ big sis lẹ jẹ́ sí mi. And Philip is my friend.
Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe fẹ́ sack mi.
Because Philip is a man.
What does that even mean?
It means breadwinner family kan nìyẹn. And ẹ mọ̀, tí mo bá relieve àwọn nísìn of iṣẹ́, at least ẹ̀yin rẹ̀ ẹ máa take care wọn. Your family is going to survive. Ẹ lè compare sí tọkùnrin bá lose iṣẹ́.
Can you listen to yourself? Are you even serious at all?
No, calm down. Let's take emotions sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé emotions wá sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan. You know, we can't compare a woman losing her job to a man losing his job. It's not going to have the same effect on the family. Guys, they try to understand me. Try and see this from my perspective.
Teju.
Sir.
More respect, Ego.
Guys. Oh. I really wish people understand me.
I know Bob